This boy is Bill Gates, a name that has become a symbol of success and innovation.
Born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington, William Henry Gates III showed early signs of genius. He was quiet, deeply curious, and absolutely obsessed with books. At just 13, he wrote his first computer program, a simple tic-tac-toe game. It wasn't flashy, but it marked the beginning of a lifelong love for technology.
In high school, Bill met Paul Allen, a fellow computer geek. The duo bonded over circuits, dreams, and mutual belief. Computers could change the world. Together, they hacked into their school's scheduling software and got caught. But instead of punishment, they were offered more time on the computer. In 1973, Bill entered Harvard. But he couldn't shake his passion for programming. Then, in 1975, Paul showed him a magazine cover, the Altair 8800 microcomputer. Bill dropped out of Harvard to chase something bigger. Together, he and Paul founded a company called Microsoft, born in a garage, fueled by coffee, code, and ambition.
Microsoft secured a major deal with IBM in 1980. But instead of selling their software, Bill licensed it. This one decision changed everything. In 1985, Microsoft launched Windows, a visual interface that made computing easier and more accessible than ever before. While Apple focused on hardware, Microsoft made its empire by being everywhere, on every PC, in every office, across the world. By 1995, Bill Gates was the richest man on earth. But money wasn't the goal, impact was. Bill worked tirelessly. He was tough, competitive, and endlessly focused. Under his leadership, Microsoft released Word, Excel, Internet Explorer, and more. He wasn't just building software, he was building the digital foundation of the modern world. In 2000, Bill stepped down as CEO. But he wasn't done. He shifted his focus to solving global problems through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Bill Gates has donated over $50 billion to philanthropy. He's worked to eliminate polio, fight malaria, and improve sanitation in developing nations. At his core, Bill believes that with great success comes great responsibility, and he's leading by example. Along with Warren Buffett, he launched the Giving Pledge, urging billionaires to give away most of their wealth. Bill Gates once said, "It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure." If this story inspired you, hit the like button, share it with dreamers, and subscribe for more real stories of extraordinary lives.